welcome to Tuesdays with Annette. Oh my gosh, we're freaking out here because Bill is not here today, so we're going solo. It's me and Diane, and we have no idea what we're doing. So please come back, Bill, for Thursday. So bear with us. Hopefully it's working. Give us a thumbs up if you're seeing us and the sound is good, because we hope we've got it right. So a thumbs up would be appreciated. But today, oh my gosh, December, hello, got my Christmas earrings on, and it's all about Christmas recipes, or good recipes to have over Christmas for our last 4 shows to finish 2020. What a year it's been, and this is the class that we added when COVID hit, and we have been loving Tuesdays with Annette. So what am I making today? Well, we're going into book 4, and it is, let me get the page up for you. It's the marshmallow fruit bubble bar. Diane's gone like this, so that's good. The marshmallow fruit bubble bar, but no, we're making it into my guilt-free version of White Christmas. I love it. So before we start, you know what we do on a Tuesday. It's over the sink and let's wash our hands. All right, so today is the day that New South Wales is coming into Queensland, and my daughter and family are flying in on Thursday for a quick little visit. So welcome to Queensland, everybody. We're so happy to have you here, and we've missed you all. So washing the hands. I think it's a really good habit that we're going to kind of stick with a lot more now. I think being more hygienic is a good thing. All right, so let's look at the recipe. But before we do, last week we did the fruit and nut cobbler, but we didn't get any photos in. I know people were saying they loved it and enjoyed it, but no one posted a photo, so I'm sorry, no winners. Now, let's talk about winning today. Oh my gosh, everyone's going to be in it to win it today. I'll tell you all about it at the end, because we have got mega prizes. Oh yes, all the way. Like, you're going to love what I've got. I've got a whole pack sitting. I'll tell you about it at the end. You can tell I'm a bit excited because I love Christmas and I want to give to you guys. So stay tuned. So how do you make the fruit and nut bubble bar into White Christmas? Really, it's very simple. All you do is, with your marshmallows, you pick out the white ones. That's right. Diane's been testing the pink ones just to make sure they're fresh. Thank you, Diane. She's going, ooh. But you need 125 grams of white, okay? So that's what you need to make it more white, because, hello, White Christmas. And if you just joined me, hello, we're making my version of a low-fat White Christmas. You're welcome. It's out of book 4. So we need 125 grams of marshmallows. We want 15 grams of Flora Light, which we'll put in the bowl in a minute. We want 4 cups of rice bubbles, a 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. And just a quick tip there, someone said to me, I can't eat coconut. So what I would suggest, if you can't do it, just leave it out. And if you want to, see, because you can have the coconut essence in if you wanted to build the flavour up, and which she was very happy to do. And you get the coconut essence in most IGA stores. It's not in Coles or Woolworths anymore. So that's just a little tip. And of course we need the mixed dried fruit. We want 1 cup. I've also put out some glacé cherries because they're really lousy with the glacé cherries and the mixed fruit these days. And I want to put a bit of red in it because we're talking, you know, Christmas. Okay, so that's everything. We only need the microwave today. It's a super fizzy, easy recipe, but what props do we need? I hope you've downloaded the recipe. You've got your ingredients out like me. I've got a couple of spoons. I'm going to use my scraper instead of a wooden spoon because I want to get right in there to the marshmallow mix. We also need some cooking spray. I've got some measured cups. I've also got a glass one because I'm going to use some hot water for that in a minute. I've got my big bowl to make the mix up. Also the slab tin, that's what we're going to be putting in it, and it measures 18 by 28 centimetres. I repeat that because there's some quite different sizes in slab tins. 28 or 18 by 28 is the one we need, and I've just got a little chopping board to chop up some jellies. Okay, so what do we do first? Let's put the margarine in the bowl, and we want, as I said, 15 grams. So I just weigh it and measure it because it's just easier. Or it's a tablespoon if you've got my measure spoons. So that's that done. Then we put in the 125 grams. Remember, we're using the white marshmallows. So in they go. And I just sort of push them out a bit. And now we're going to microwave them. Now the key is you do it in the microwave on 50% power. And we're going to do it for 50 seconds. So let's go over to the microwave. Well, thanks for joining me today. My gosh, me and Diane are here on our own. We are very excited to still have been able to do the show today because Billy is not available. So 50% power for 50 seconds. Alrighty. So while that's happening, I'm going to chop up some cherries, glacé cherries, just because I think we want a few in there for Christmas. So I think I'll use this knife and just chop them up into little bits. And we're going to add this to the mixed fruit, just because we want a little bit of colour. Now you can, I used to be able to get them in a pack where you'd get yellow and green. So if you've got any green ones, that would look fantastic as well. All right, so that's that done. And I'm going to measure a cup of the mixed dried fruit. Actually, look, this was a good brand, this one. And so it has a few glacé cherries in it, but the home brand ones tend to not bother. And have you noticed they've taken the colouring out of the glacé cherries so they're not super red anymore? Yeah. Like Smarties. They've never been the same since. All right, so let's put this over at my soapy sink. I'll put that in there. And let's check the marshmallow. Okay, so this is where I'm going to mix it all up. And look, you'll see it all comes all fluffy and fabulous. Now don't forget, I'm going to be giving extra prizes for December. We've only got, this is, counting this one, it's only 4 shows to finish the year. So we've got Thursday this week and today, and then next week, and we finish for the year. And what a year it's been. Okay, so I'm going to pop that back in. It says if you want to put it back just for a little bit more, I think it's a good idea. Remember, it's on the 50% power, and I'm going to do it for another 30 seconds. Thanks for joining me today. We are looking at Christmas recipes and ideas, and as I said, we're making what I think is a fantastic version of White Christmas. Now, traditionally, White Christmas per slice is about 15 grams of fat because it's loaded with cocoa and icing sugar and all that stuff. Hello? Mine's only 1.1 grams of fat. Yes, I love it. And I've made one up ahead, so I'll show you at the end. It's in the fridge. Diane will get it out for me shortly. Oh, well, we haven't got Billy here, Diane. Oh. Okay. Now, that's the hard work done. So see how it's just really smooth and fabulous? So what we do is we're going to measure 1/4 cup, put the fruit in, and then measure 1/4 cup of coconut. You know, this is where you'll find there's a lot of fats come into things, is coconut, nuts, all those type of things that you wouldn't think, but the add-ons can really make a difference. Okay, so we mix them in. And all we have to do, I mean, how easy is this? And this is why I thought, you know, the kids could make this for Nanny, for Christmas or for the day and make it a bit fizzy fabulous. They're great as gifts. And now we want 4 cups of rice bubbles. Now please don't go, oh, just that little bit extra won't hurt. No, make sure you measure it exact because you want it to stick and hold together. A little bit more. Alrighty. Okay, in we go. And all you have to do now is mix it. And this is where you just take a little bit of time because you want to coat all the rice bubbles with that marshmallow mix. Yes, can you believe it's the 1st of December? Hello. I love this time of the year. I'm even more excited now. My daughter's coming up from Sydney, who we haven't seen all year. So we're very happy. Look at this mix. See, so this is a great one for the kids to make. Get them busy because you'll be in school holidays soon. So you'll be looking for things to keep them busy with. And of course, this recipe is on the website, remember? We always put the recipe up for Tuesdays. This is looking great. That's what they see. I'm able to get right in underneath and get all that marshmallow mixed in. Icky, sticky, fabulous. Okay, so now if you've just joined me, where were you? We've already made the recipe, but it's my version of White Christmas, yes. So, also what's happening at Simply Too Good, because I love Christmas, as I said, I'm also signing cookbooks that you order on my website till the 31st of December. I know, what a great gift idea. All right, let's spray our tray. Bit of cooking spray. Now, this is where my glass dish is going to come in handy, my glass one, because I'm going to put some hot water in it. I did boil it up before we started, because it really helps putting it together. All right, so all done, fabulous. So what's in here? We had 4 cups of rice bubbles, we had 125 grams of white marshmallows, and we melted them. We had a tablespoon of Floralide, and that was in with the marshmallows, and 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut, and the cup of mixed dried fruit. All right, so in the slab tin it goes. Oh, yum. Now, 1.1 gram of fat a serve compared to the traditional one, which would be, gosh, 15 grams of fat easy. But the key with this one is you can't leave it out. It really is best. Look, I'm all sticky. It is best to keep it in the fridge, all right? So, now, oh, it's crackling. Got a bit of snap, crackle, pop. Remember the ads with the little people, the little elves? All right, so now get your spoon in the hot water, okay? Yep, and I'll show you why you do that. Because it's a bit sticky. And you're going to push it down. This cuts into 20 serves. So it's really, so you can see it's quite full and fabulous. Oh my gosh, we've had so much fun with Home Ec with Annette on a Tuesday. I really love that you've joined me, and really we've had so much fun here helping and supporting you over 2020. Now get it, push it down, keep it going in the hot water so you've got that movement. Push it down. And voila! There it is, my guilt-free White Christmas. Now remember, in book 2, you also have the Christmas section. So let's put that out of the way. So that's got lots of goodies. Let me wash my sticky fingers in my soapy sink. Alrighty, so let's look at the finished product. Thank you, Miss Diane. Here we go. Hello! How fantastic to serve this on Christmas Day or any day of the year. What the heck? It's fabulous. And remember, it's only 1.1 grams of fat. It's out of book 4, and it is just a guilt-free snack. Now, if you would like to win, yes, drum roll please. What you have to do, now everyone can be in it to win it for the next 2 weeks. So you like and you share, you know that's the deal. And you can either put your photo in, or, because I'm feeling a bit fabulous about Christmas, all you have to do in the comment is write your favourite Christmas food. Whatever it is that you just love. Is it turkey? Is it licorice all sorts? Is it Christmas cake? Or is it White Christmas? That's all you have to do is to enter. How easy is that? I mean, who knew weight loss could be so deliciously healthy? But do you know what you're going to win? I'm sorry. Yes, Santa has come early at Simply Too Good. Of course you get book 4, yes, so you get that. You're also going to get a box of shakes. I know. And a shaker. And there's more. You're also going to get your very own Live Love Cook apron, so you can be like me on a Tuesday and Thursday. And there's still more. A journal, an 8-week weight loss journal. Now all this kit, the cookbook, the apron, the shakes, the shaker and the book, all add up to over $85. 3 lucky winners, you gotta be in it. This is all you have to do, remember, is put a photo on if you want, which is fabulous, or in the comment, write what is your favourite Christmas food, and you like, you share, boom, that's it. Now, Thursday, I'm going to be back in the kitchen, and what am I going to be making? Well, I'm making gingerbread. Yes, it's fabulous. Now, I'm using the recipe from book 6. It's the ginger kisses. So we're just going to make the dough, and then I'm going to show you how to make gingerbreads and Christmas decorated cookies. We're going to have so much fun. My piping bag is ready to go, and I'm excited to show you how easy it is to make fun things for Christmas, because homemade is the best. So thanks for joining. Remember, I'm signing the books until the end of the year, till the 31st, personally signing them for you. You can also go and get the deals. You've got the knives where you get the sharpener with it for free. You've got the lids on the Neoflam that you get for half price as well. I mean, it's all happening, but you know what? Today, what are you going to do? You're going to enter to win a cookbook, an apron, a box of shakes, shaker, and a journal. You're welcome. I mean, for more tips and recipes, you know where to go, simplytoogood.com.au. And what am I making next Tuesday? Because the recipe is up for you to get soon, and you can make it with me. And I'm making a prawn dish, and I can't for the life of me think of what it's called. Prawn and, oh my, what is it called, Diane? See, we're so busy here, I didn't even think. Prawn and spinach. It's a fabulous recipe. I'm sorry, it's out of book 7. Let me grab a book 7. Hold on one moment. Yes, and it's in the seafood section. Oh my gosh. And it's also in Cooking 102. And it is what is it? Actually, I don't know whether it's in this book. Oh gosh, you know what? It's a prawn dish. It's a fabulous one to have in your repertoire for over Christmas. So you need to tune in on Tuesday to find out what it is, because I'll know by then. Okay guys, thanks for joining me. And remember, next week is our last show on Tuesdays with Annette. So take care, and don't forget, be in it to win it. Bye now.